Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy Tanghulu. This delightful treat combines crisp candied fruit with a sweet, airy surprise. You'll need fresh, firm fruits, granulated sugar, water, and a touch of light corn syrup. Don't forget your wooden skewers, a reliable candy thermometer, and plenty of cotton candy. Preparing all your ingredients beforehand ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. First, select your favorite firm fruits like strawberries or grapes and wash them thoroughly, then pat them completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of a perfect candy coating. Next, carefully thread 1 to 3 pieces of fruit onto each wooden skewer. Now for the fun part. Gently wrap a thin, even layer of cotton candy around each fruit. Be quick and delicate to maintain its fluffy texture before dipping. Now let's create that signature hard candy shell. In a stainless steel pot, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, but resist the urge to stir it. Allow it to boil undisturbed until a candy thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for the hard crack stage. With your syrup ready, work swiftly. Remove the pot from the heat and carefully tilt it to pool the syrup. Dip each cotton candy-wrapped fruit skewer, rotating to fully coat it. Immediately plunge the dipped skewer into your ice bath for about 1 minute to set the candy. Once hardened, your unique cotton candy Tanghulu is ready to be enjoyed. The crunchy shell and fluffy interior are a delightful combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.